We're at gotomath.com, working some calculus. Let's go down to related rates and click on 10. Oh, that's what I wanted. I wanted 10-1 and I click, there it is. Okay, we've got the volume of a cube is changing with respect to time. Find dv over dt when x equals 5 centimeters and dx over dt equals 5 centimeters per second. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. So let's write down what it says here quickly. The volume of a cube, dv over dt, that's what we're looking for. X is equal to 5 centimeters, so you should be writing this stuff down. Dx over dt is equal to 5 centimeters per second, and we're going to round to 2 decimal places. Okay. I thought I already did this problem, but I guess I haven't. Got it. Let's bring up the whiteboard and write down everything that they give us. So we're talking about the volume of a cube. So let me sketch out the cube. So this is going to be a rough sketch, right? So we got a cube. Maybe it's an ice cube. I don't know. Something like that, we'll say. But hypothetically, it's a cube mathematically, which means that all sides are equal. Length, width, and height. We'll say this is x right here. Okay. So we're going to need, since we're asked to find dv over dt, we need to find a formula that represents the volume of the cube. And that's easy enough. Volume is equal to x cubed, right? Volume is equal to x cubed. Okay, things that they gave us. They gave us x was equal to 5 centimeters and dx over dt. So all sides are growing, since this is a positive number, at 5 centimeters per second. So the cube is getting larger with respect to time. So let's go ahead and take the derivative of this with respect to time. So we got the derivative v is 1, then we write dv over dt is equal to, and then we take the derivative of this, we got 3x squared dx over dt, dx over dt. Right. Now, secretly, I guess I haven't really mentioned this, but we're doing the chain rule here. And I should really probably have talked about that earlier, about why we just write dv over dt here or whatever. I say it's 1 and then we write, it's really the chain rule is what's going on here. But anyway, we just kind of look at it that way. Okay, so we're asked to find dv over dt. So that means that all we have to do now is just plug in our numbers. So we have 3, and then x is 5, and dx over dt is 5. Now remember, don't leave off our units. So we have 25 times 3 is 75, and 75 times 5. Do we know what that is? Well, we'll do some arithmetic over here. 35, 36, 37. So 375 centimeters, 375 centimeters something. It's volume, right? So it's got to be cube. Centimeters cubed per second. I worked this problem and I guess it didn't get saved. But anyway, so there you go. dv over dt is equal to 375 centimeters cubed. Let's go back to the web page. Click on the answer. Yeah, I did. I didn't save my work or something. So we have dv over dt is 375. Now, it says round your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we're going to throw on 2 zeros here on the end here to 2 decimal places. Just throwing 2 zeros on the end. We got centimeters cubed per second. All right, we're doing differentiation, and under that, of course, specifically, we're doing related rates. And I'll see you here at gotomath.com maybe.